Good afternoon, guys. This is the lesson continuation from looking for slope from the graph. Except on this lesson, you're looking for the slope from the graph, and then you're going to write the equation using the slope that you find to write the equation, which is one more step from the previous lesson that we've been learning. Okay, for example, this one right here. First of all, when you see this graph right here and the line here, you will look for the slope. So you're going to label your line. This is the left side and this is the right side. You look from the left to the right. You see the line rise or fall. Okay, so you're going to decide it. As you can see from the left to the right, you see that this line is rising. That means it's going up. When it's going up, that means your slope will be a positive slope. Okay, slope, it's a positive. So next step, you're going to look for the point. You're going to give the point. How do I locate the point on the line? So I'm going to look where the line crosses the corner of this little square here. It crossed right here at the corner of the square. And then the next one, that where the line crossed the corner, intersecting of the corner of this little square, the second line is right there. Now, after I get these 2 points, I'm going to find out from this first point to the second point how many units it's going up. So it's going up 1. Okay, so we call rise is 1, and then it go across 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rise is 1, the run is 4. Again, remember, because it's rising from the left to the right, that means I will have positive slope. So my slope is the rise is 1 and the run is 4. So my slope is 1/4. There you go. I have the slope. Now next step, I'm going to look for the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where this line here crossing or intersecting with the y-axis. And the line cross the y-axis is right here. So where is it? It's on -1. Okay, so where the line cross the y-axis, it crosses on -1. So therefore my y-intercept is -1. Now I have the slope, I have the y-intercept. Next, I'm going to write the equation. So equation is, it's going to be y equals, because that's equation, so y equals slope, that is 1/4 x minus 1, because our y-intercept is -1, so that's a -1. -1 minus 1, it's the same thing. So there you go. That's my equation. As you can see, am I done with my assignment? Yes, I'm done for number 1. Okay, so again, I'm going to retype it. My slope is a positive 1/4, and then my y-intercept is -1. There you go. I retype for what I was writing. Okay, so now I have it in. I type it in, so I'm done. Go back. I'm going to erase what I was writing, so because I already typed it in. Alright, now clear. There you go. So I have my answer on number 1. Slope is positive 1/4, and my y-intercept is -1, and my equation is y equals slope times x and then y-intercept. That's number 1. I'm done. Okay, so now let's move on to number 2. Okay, when I am on number 2, let me move a little bit so you can see it. Okay, now first of all, I'm gonna look at my line from the left to the right. So I look at the line right here. This is my left and this is my right. As you can see, the line from the left to the right, it's going down. When it's going down, we call that the line falls. When the line falls, it means I will have a negative slope. Okay, because it's falling down from the left to the right. So my slope here will be a negative number. So I have negative slope. But negative what? Let's look. I will pick up 2 points where the line crosses this little square at the corner. So right here, therefore I have negative 1, which is going down 1 on my rise, and then across 1. So that means rise negative 1, run is 1. Now I have my slope. My slope is negative 1 over 1. Negative 1 over 1 is the same as negative 1. Okay, so that is my slope, and I am done with the slope. Now, after I find the slope, next step is to find the y-intercept. How do I locate the y-intercept? The y-intercept is where my line here crossing or intersecting with my y-axis right here. So it's intersecting right here on the 2, which is positive 2. So I will have my y-intercept is positive 2. Okay, so my y-intercept is positive 2. Now, next I have my slope. I have my y-intercept. Now, next step, I'm going to write the equation. So my equation would be y equals slope. Slope is negative 1 times x, and then the y-intercept, which is plus 2. That's my equation, and now I am done. Okay, I have the slope, I have the y-intercept, and then I use that slope and use that y-intercept to write my equation, and that's it. That's how you that's how you write equation from the slope that you are looking for. Okay, bye. I hope this videos help you. All right, I see you.